Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've joined the meet and you're ready to switch emojis. First, open the meeting controls. On desktop, click the three dots labeled More Options and then Settings or Reactions. On mobile, tap the screen to reveal the menu. Once there, choose the Reactions or Emojis panel. Some accounts show it under Change Background or Effects. Make sure your Google account and Meet app are updated because older versions hide these features. Now that you see the Reactions area, you're set to pick and customize. Once the Emoji panel is open, browse categories or use search to find the reaction you want. This speeds things up in busy calls. You can click or tap any emoji to send it immediately into the meeting chat or as a floating reaction. Some platforms let you long press or right-click to adjust color or size. Make sure to preview how it appears on screen so it's visible to others. If you're in present mode, stop presenting briefly or enable reactions during present. To finish, verify the emoji displays to participants. Ask a co-host to confirm. If reactions don't show, refresh the browser or app, sign out and back in, and ensure Meet has permission to display overlays. Once done, update Chrome or the Google Meet app because many emoji features require the latest release. If problems persist after restarting your device, try a different browser or device to isolate the issue. When nothing works, gather screenshots and contact your admin or Google support for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.